Last period we studied about what? What we have studied last period? Nikila, we studied about
finding square root using division.
Finding square root using division method. We have done. Okay, one more question we will do. Write the question. Find the square root using division method. 252 we did, isn't it? Find the square root of they are all having network problem. Stuck. All are stuck. Anandita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the last question. 4096 we did, isn't it? Root.
Yes.
Okay. All having network problems. Okay. So write the next question. Find the root of 2304. 2304 by division method. Find the square root of 2304 using division method. 2304 using division method. So first of all, 2304 we will put bars from right to left. Putting bars from right to left. Then find a number less than 23, which is a square number. Which was that? A number less than 23, which is a square number? Yes?
22.
16.
16. 22 is not a square number. Who said 22? 16. 16 is less than 23. Or 4 square is less than 23. Now this 4 is the first divisor and first quotient. 4 fours are 16. Subtracting we will get 23 minus 16 is 23 minus 16 is 7. Take 0, 4 down. Write the double of the quotient. So 8. Put a dash. Fill the dash. 8 dash. Write a number that place multiply by the same number. Find out what will be the which will come the yes
2.
2. If we write 2, we have to multiply by 2. What we will get? 4, 16. No, 2 won't come because it is 704. So 2 won't come. Which will be? Find. Try.
7.
7. When we write 7, 7 sevens are 49, remains 1. 6 not 9. You try 8 also.
8.
8. Try 8.
8, ma'am.
88 into 8. 88 into 8 is 704. So it is 8. Quotient also 8. It is 704. Remainder is 0. Therefore, root of 2304 is equal to 48 is equal to 48. Next, try to get root of 3481. Root of 3481. Fifth question it is. Root of 3481.
5,
3400
ma'am. 5.
Okay. 20, 25 less. 25 is less than 34. So 5 less than 35 square is less than 34. First quotient and first divisor is 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtracting, we will get 9. 81 taken downwards. 10. Here it is 10 dash. 10 dash. Which number we can write the
9.
9? Good. We will write 9 into 9, 8, 981. So we will write 9, 59, 981. Remainder is 0. Therefore, root of 3481 is 59. And you have homework questions. Homework questions are 3249. First one. Second one, 1369. 5776. Fourth question, 7921. Fifth question, 1024. Sixth one, 36. Seventh one, 900. These are the homework questions.
Then can you show that?
One second. Children, this is 8B class. Those who are not in 8B, please leave the class. This is 8B max class. Others, leave the class. Copied? Homework questions?
Yes, ma'am.
See, children,
Yes, ma'am.
listen, all of you listen. Tomorrow onwards, all of you switch on your videos. Tomorrow onwards, you will have a tutorial session. Tomorrow we don't have our regular period, isn't it? We don't have max period, isn't it? But
Yes.
tomorrow onwards, when we don't have actual max period, regular max period, those days we will have a tutorial session. And for that, I will send my my personal Zoom link and time. I will send you the time and link. And that time you have to enter through Zoom. And that it is a 35-minute session. That time I will give some questions from the same topic we have discussed in our classes, and You have to do those problems, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me at that time. Understood? Tomorrow, it will start on tomorrow. I will send the link and time. Okay? And in each session, only 10 students will be there. For the first session, the first 10 students, 10 or 12, maximum 12 students. We will divide your class into 3 groups. First day, tomorrow, I think 2 groups will be there, first and second group. I will send the groups and everything, I will send today. So, tomorrow onwards, we will start, and you can do one thing. You write those notes in separate paper, and if you are doing the same problem as we did in our class, no need to attach. Otherwise, you have to attach those questions with your notes. Okay. Sometime we will do the same problems. If you have doubt, we will do the same problems. Otherwise, if the problems are different, you have to attach with your notes. Understood? So tomorrow we will start our tutorial session. You have to enter on time. I will send the time and link. It will be afternoon. Okay, after 5 o'clock. Time I will send. Okay? And you can come with your all doubts. Come prepare and
Night
come.
also there, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, Salim?
In night also there.
In
Night.
night, yes, sometimes I will take from 6 to 6:30 to 9 o'clock. Within that time, I will send your time. Okay. Because all the 8th standard is divided into 10 groups. In each group, there are 10 students. So, I will inform you, you belongs to which group. Your class divided, first 10 students, first group, next 10 students, next group, next, that way. No other discrimination. Okay,
All
first,
days is there, ma'am.
huh?
In all day.
No, not in all days, alternate days, because today you have max class, so today
Like,
no
understood.
tutorial class. Tomorrow you don't have regular max class, so tomorrow you will have
That time class.
no daytime class. If you
Ah.
don't, tomorrow you don't have that daytime max class, isn't it? No regular max class. So you have tutorial class. Understood? I will send the time and link, everything I will send. And you belongs to which group? Group 1, group 2, group 3, in that way. Okay? I will send everything. I just inform you. Okay? So write the next question. All of you copied the homework question?
Yes, ma'am.
So write the next question. Now we are going to study how to find the square root of decimal. Write the heading, square root of decimal numbers. Square root of decimal numbers. Also, I sent the steps through WhatsApp today. Did you see? Today I sent.
No, ma'am.
You didn't see?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, I will send the steps of finding square root using division method. So before starting the problems, you have to write those steps and attach.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Last day I
Photo is there, ma'am.
photo is there. I told you, I have sent. It is there.
Now
Jeff?
I look.
Okay. Okay, you can see that. Write those notes and attach in the beginning of the division method. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now square root of decimal numbers. For finding square root of decimal numbers, write first question 12 point. Find the root of, first question, find root of 12.25. 12.25. Find the root of 12.25. For finding the square root of decimal numbers, usually we will put bars from integral part. We will put bars from right to left, isn't it? Integral part we put bars from right to left. But for the decimal part, we will put bars from left to right. I will show you. Suppose this is the number. Integer part we will put bars from right to left. 1, 4 under 1 bar and 3 is under next bar. Okay? But for the decimal part, we will put bars from left to right. 6, 7 under 1 bar and 8 under the next bar. Okay? So here in 12.25, integer part right to left, decimal part left to right. Then same procedure. Find a number under the first bar. It is 12. A number less than 12, which is a perfect square, is what? Less than 12, a perfect square. Which was that number?
3.
9, 3. But 9 less than 12, 3 square. Don't say 3. 3 is the quotient and remainder. So it is 9 Vinayak. And we are taking 3 as the quotient and divisor. 3 3s are 9. Subtracting we will get 3. Now we are taking this 25 downwards, but since decimal point is there, we need to put a decimal here on the quotient part. Since we are taking 0.25 downwards, we need to put decimal on the quotient and double the quotient. Double the quotient, it is 6. Put a dash. Find the number. Which number will be there, so that we will get 325, 325.
Five.
65, correct, good. 65 into 5 is 325. So here 3.5. Remainder 0. Root of 12.25 equal to 3.5. 12.25 equal to 3.5. Okay. Next question, 7.29. 7.29.
Okay, so one more time.
Our
Yes, ma'am.
next is 7.29. 7.29. Putting bars. Integer part only one number 7. Decimal part 2.29. So find the number less than 7, which is a perfect square.
4.
4. 4 less than 7, 2 square less than 7. So first divisor and quotient is 2. 4, subtracting we will get 3. Take 29 downward. Put a decimal here. Now double of 2 dash. Fill the dash.
47.
47, correct. Multiplying you will get 9, 329. So 7 sevens are 7 into 47 is 329, 0. So root of 7.29 is 2.7. Okay, next question. Shall I give the next one as in? Over? 51.84. Start doing. Root of 51.84. Root of 51.84. Try to get 51.84. Yes, correct. So 49, isn't it? 49 less than 51. 7 square less than 51. 7 is the first quotient and remainder. 49. Subtracting we will get 2. Take 84 downwards. Put a point. Decimal sign. Double it. 14. Fill. But it will come 2.
2.
Into 2. So 4, 8, 284. So here it is 2, 7.2, 284, remainder 0, root of 51.84 equal to 7.2. Equal to 7.2. Homework question is 42.25 and 31.36. 42.25 and 31.36. 42.25 and 31.36. Okay. Now write the next question. It's a word problem. Find the least number. Find the least number that must be subtracted that must be subtracted from 5,607. 5,607 so as to get a perfect square. Get a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of also find square root of the perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5,607. So 5,607 is not a perfect square. We need to find a number. When we subtract a number, we will get a perfect square. We need to find that number. Okay, so first of all, we will do the division method for finding its root, and there we will get a remainder. Usually if it is a perfect square, the remainder will be 0. But in this case, since it is not a perfect square, we will get a remainder. That remainder we will subtract. I will show you. First of all, you try to get the square root of 5,607. Our usual procedure. Group it. Find a number less than 56. It is 49. Last day 49 less than 56. 7 square less than 56. So 7 is the first quotient and first divisor. 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7, 0, 7 taken, 14 dash. Double of 7 is 14. 14 dash. We won't get correct 707, but find which comes nearer to 707. When we write which number and multiply by the same number, we will get a number nearer to 707. Find that number. Which will be
4.
4. 4 into 4. 507. What comes when we write 5? That also you have to check whether it more than 707. We have to check whether it comes or not. 5, 2, 2, 725 comes. So it will, when we write 5, it comes more than 707. So we won't take it. You have to check it. Okay. So we will write 4. Here also 4. It is 576. 4 into 144 is 576. Subtract. Remainder is
131.
131. If it is a square number, we will get a remainder 0. But here we are getting a remainder 131. So when we subtract this 131 from 5,607, we will get a perfect square number. So therefore, if we subtract 131 from 5,607, we will get a perfect square number. we will get a perfect square number. That is 5607 minus 131 equal to what? 5607 minus 1 is equal to
5476.
5476,
76.
which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square, and square root of that number will be our 74, our quotient. Because when we subtract 131, the remainder will be 0, no? So that 74 will be its root. Root of 5476 will be 74. When we subtract 131, we will get 5476. And its root will be the 74, because 131 becomes 0 when we subtract. So 74 will be the root of 5476. Same type question. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 1989. 1989. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 989 to get a perfect square number. Say question same, number is different. Right? You write the question. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 1989 to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of that perfect square obtained. Also find the square root of the perfect square obtained. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So first of all, we will put bars 19. All of you try. Which one will be the first quotient and divisor?
4, 16.
Yes, 4. Because 16 is less than 90. 4 is the first quotient. 4 is the first quotient. 16. We will get 389. When we square it, 8 comes here. Fill the dash.
7.
7. What? 7. When we multiply 7, what will come? 7 sevens are 49. Oh, it will be 609. It is more. Nikila, it is more than 389. So 7 won't come.
3.
3. 3, 9. You try 4 also. 4 also. Sometimes it will be more closer. When we multiply by 4, it will be 16. 1. 336 comes. So it comes more. So it is not 3, it is 4. So 4, 44. So it is 336. Remainder is
53.
53. Good. Remainder is 53. So we should, so 53 is the smallest number. Is the smallest number that must be subtracted from 1989. So 1989 minus 53 equal to what? Equal to 1936.
36.
And its root will be what? Its root will be
44.
44.
44.
Our quotient is 44. So its root will be 44. So again you have homework of this type. This type is page number 108. It is page number 108. Page number 108, fourth question. Question number 4. That 402 questions are those. If you anybody don't have textbook, write the questions. All should try these questions. When you are come for the tutorial class, I can check your notes. So you should do these questions. Whatever be the homework, I can check. I will check that also. So do, and you come with your doubts. We will clear your doubts that time. Okay.